To the weather centre, everyone. It's going to be a partly cloudy and warm to hot day for most of the country's interior. Along with that, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be developing over the eastern interior, and we're also expecting a high pressure system to ridge along the coastline as the day goes on. That's going to be pushing in lots of maritime moisture over the area, bringing in rainfall from the south coast all the way through to the eastern parts of KZN. Along our west coast, on the other hand, it remains clear and dry. A low pressure system is going to deepen into this area this afternoon. That will tighten the pressure gradient along the southwestern coastline, where we are expecting strong winds for the remainder of the day. Along with that, there is a warning in place for gale force southeasterly winds around the peninsula, in particular for Cape Point, where wind speeds are likely to exceed 65 kilometers per hour. There are two watches. The first is for heavy rainfall, which is possible today all across the Highveld and into KwaZulu-Natal, where more than 50 millimeters will be possible in places. And the second watch is for the likelihood of severe thunderstorms developing over a somewhat smaller area, including some parts of Mpumalanga, the Eastern Free State and the northwestern parts of KZN. Let's move ahead to the rainfall map, and there we see 60% chance for thunder showers all across the eastern parts, including in Gauteng, the interior of KZN, and all the way through to about Bloemfontein. Isolated thunder showers for the southern Karoo, and rainfall extends along the coastline from around the Overberg in the Western Cape all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal's coastline. Widespread rain expected for some places. Hot up in the northern parts. Once again, Pretoria gets to 32 degrees, while Polokwane will also get above 30. And it's going to be a much cooler day on the other hand for the Eastern Cape. Lots of cloud cover moving in from the ocean keeps temperatures below 20 degrees for most of the province. Light southeasterly winds expected for Port St. John's as well as Durban, while Richards Bay gets up to about 20 kilometers per hour. And it's going to be a cooler day as well over the southern interior, but Vredendal gets to a high of 31. We're expecting it to be an especially cool day along the south coast as cloud cover increases over this area. Strong southeasterly winds extend from Cape Agulhas all the way through to False Bay, where we are expecting winds to reach gale force at times. Over the northern Cape, there's a 10-degree temperature difference this afternoon between Springbok and Uppington, while Sutherland will be warm with a high of 24. And towards the Atlantic coastline, we see southwesterly winds for Lambert's Bay and Alexander Bay, while we have strong southerly to southeasters for Cape Town as well as Langebaan. That's also picking up the swells to a height of about 4 meters. A look ahead to tomorrow, when it remains very wet over parts of eastern South Africa. Lots of cloud cover over Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, but for Cape Town, it's going to be sunny and warmer.